Yoga accessories are extremely useful as they make practicing yoga safer and more relaxing, even though not too many yoga accessories are needed. There are some items you cannot do without, such as a yoga mat, yoga socks and shoes, pants and upper body wear. There are other additional yoga accessories such as a water bottle, a bag to carry the yoga mat, yoga props, and DVDs for practicing alone, but these are optional and whether you buy them is up to you. The upper body wear is very important as it has to make you feel comfortable. There will be no way you can relax and do yoga if your clothes are ill-fitting and uncomfortable. The upper body wear should ideally be made of a combination of lycra and cotton, as these fabrics help absorb sweat, fit well, and give pores for proper circulation. During cold weather, wear comfortable pants which will not get in the way of your exercises. They should not be too loose, or of a very thick material, as it will make you feel very hot when you're exercising. Apart from your t-shirt and jeans, pants, leave your jewelry and watch outside, to prevent them from hampering your yoga. A yoga mat is an absolutely necessary yoga accessory. It serves as a cushion protecting you from the hard floors, and it is also hygienic as it prevents contact with the floor. Make sure the yoga mat stays clean, as your body and head will have contact with it. People living in cold climates should ensure that their yoga mat stays flexible after it's kept in the trunk of the car, or after it's been exposed to the cold air. Usually, yoga is practiced barefoot or variably in a pair of cotton socks. But experts say that wearing yoga shoes makes it more relaxing and comfortable. Yoga shoes are not the same as exercise shoes. They have thinner soles and are lighter at the top to facilitate air circulation. Additionally, yoga shoes prevent bacteria and germs from forming and are important when you need to share a yoga mat. Moreover, the yoga shoes help maintain certain yoga postures and prevent you from slipping. Some people prefer to wear yoga socks to yoga shoes because they are like gloves for the feet. Toe socks with non-slip rubber dots are also available, and these give friction, and they're a good buy. A bag for your yoga accessories which will hold your mat, change of clothes, keys and wallet will help carrying your stuff to and from yoga class. Yoga props can help you with certain postures, and yoga DVDs can help you practice certain moves which you learnt in class. Water bottles are helpful but not really necessary, as you'll sweat out all the toxins during yoga class. You can get all the yoga accessories you need at yoga specialty retailers because of the wide range of stuff, and also the staff will be well informed about your yoga needs.